The South Dakota Health Department says more than 26% of the state's population has received at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine so far. But many people are still anxiously awaiting their turn. KELOLAND's Tom Hansen gives us an update on who can get their shots now and who's next in line.
South Dakota's been in Phase 1D for several weeks, which means right now anyone over the age of 65 who wants the vaccine should already be vaccinated or have an appointment in the county in which they live. Secretary of Health Kim Malzahn-Reisen says the state is moving onto a new group within 1D, and that is people under age 65 with at least one underlying health condition.
We anticipate really being able to start vaccinating that group yet this week. And so folks with one underlying health condition, you can find the list on our website, should be signing up and making sure that they're in the system so that they can get a call when vaccine is available for them.
Underlying medical conditions include asthma, diabetes, heart conditions, and pregnancy, to name a few. The next phase of 1D will also include teachers and funeral workers. South Dakota's Teacher of the Year sums up the feelings of many of South Dakota's 10,000 teachers. Responding to a tweet from Governor Kristi Noem about the importance of in-classroom learning, Amanda Hargreaves said, "Please consider showing your appreciation for school staff by prioritizing our vaccinations." The message ends by saying, "We are still awaiting our turn."
We are anxious to get to our teachers and staff in school settings and daycares. And so, again, we've been able to move to that group with underlying health conditions a little bit sooner than we expected. And so that bodes well for us to be able to get to teachers here imminently.
The Department of Health's website encourages teachers to register to be notified when the vaccine is available. Tom Hansen, KELOLAND News.
The vaccine has become easier to get outside of the major hospital groups. More vaccine is being allocated to pharmacies around the state. They include Hy-Vee, Lewis Drug, Walmart, Medicine Shop, Leader, and Cardinal pharmacies.